So as of now we have reached 964, I think, subscribers in our YouTube channel. We've also utilized other platforms, social media platforms, that is Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. I think I had a LinkedIn once. I'll have to go back and see if I can revive that. But the main idea was just about language, because as a person I love language. I love studying language, I love history, and so connecting it to our language, to our history, Fiji history, something that I like. What's the terminology they use today? It's a passion.